I just wanted to say thank you for hosting me so well and caring about me so much. And I wish you all a Shana Tova and Chag Sameach.
למשפחה היקרה שלי, שתהיה לנו שנה טובה, חג שמח ושיהיה לנו רק טוב.
Hi everyone, I wanted to wish you Shana Tova ומתוקה to you and your families.
I just wanted to wish you happy Rosh Hashanah. I hope you have a great year. Shana Tova Metuka. I want to say thank you very much for hosting me and making me feel so comfortable. I wish we have a good year together, and I can't wait. Bye.
Hi everyone, I want to wish Shana Tova to all my families. Hope we will have a great year together, and I love you very much. And also my family in Israel. אני מתגעגע אליכם מאוד, אני אוהב אתכם, אני חושב עליכם כל הזמן, ואני מקווה שתהנו בארוחה. אוהב ומתגעגע.
Hey, I wanted to wish you all happy holidays, Chag Sameach. Thank you so much for having me. ולמשפחה בבית אני מתגעגע ותהנו בחגים ושיהיה לכם כיף ואל תהנו יותר מדי כי אני לא שם. ביי.
I just wanted to wish you a happy Rosh Hashanah and a great year. שתהיו לראש ולא לזנב.
I want to say happy holiday for you, Mills family. Thank you very much for what you're doing for me until now, and I wish that you have happy holiday. And I really missed you the Sephardic Slichot in Israel. Thank you very much for all. Goodbye.
Everyone, it's Ben. I just want to wish you Shana Tova and have a very good year. A lot of excitement and fun, and just have fun, you know. I just can't wait to see you, all of you, and thank you for hosting me, and you guys are amazing, and we will see you soon, or I'm just gonna see you at home. Bye.
Hey, I just wanted to wish you a happy holiday, and thank you so much for hosting me. למשפחה שלי בבית, אני אוהבת אתכם. חג שמח, נשיקות.
Hi, just wanted to wish you a happy new year, happy new Hebrew year, Shana Tova, Rosh Hashanah Sameach, happy Rosh Hashanah. May it be a good new beginning for all of us, and may this year would be the best year ever.
Hi, Eileen Philben. I wish you the very best, Shana Tova Metuka, happy new year. Thank you for hosting me. And I wish we'll have a great time together. Bye!
Hi! Wanted to say, wish you all Chag Sameach and Shana Tova. And just tell my family back home that I miss them a lot, especially the family dinners and Chag and my mom's cooking too. But we're sure it's going to be a great one, right?
Just want to say Shana Tova Metuka. Thank you for hosting me, and I'm wishing to us all a great year full of new experience, full of fun. ולמשפחה שלי בארץ, אני אוהבת אתכם המון, מתגעגעת עליכם, חושבת עליכם כל הזמן. תמשיכו לעשות מלא כיף, וניפגש בדצמבר. ביי, נשיקות.
Hey, my new second family, the Valencias, thank you very much for hosting me. Everything is just perfect, and I want to say to you, Shana Tova Metuka. Thank you.
Hi everyone. I want to wish all my host families and my real family happy Shana Tova Metuka, and I'm happy to get to know you all.
Hi, I just wanted to say Shana Tova to my amazing host family, Naomi, Steven, Alicia, Jordan, and Taylor. Thank you for amazing time so far, and I'm sure that we will have amazing year together. So Shana Tova, and I want to say also Shana Tova to my amazing family in Israel. I miss you a lot and love you, and even I'm far away from home, I'm having a great time, and sure that you have also a great time. Just want to say Shana Tova.
Families, I want to wish you a great year and Shana Tova. Thank you so much for having me in your house. משפחה שלי, שנה טובה, אני אוהבת אתכם המון ומתגעגעת כל כך. ונשיקות.
Hi, I want to wish all my families Shana Tova, the Silverbergs, the Levis, and the Omars, and of course the Domos, my family back in Israel. I miss you all. Bye.
Alright guys, I just want to wish you a happy Rosh Hashanah, Shana Tova, and thank you for hosting me in your house. It means a lot to me. Shana Tova.
Hello to my family. I want to wish you Shana Tova. Happy New Year. Had a year of learning and experiencing a lot of fun things.
Happy holidays. I hope you have a great holiday, a great Rosh Hashanah. And I'm very looking forward to this year. Thank you so much for having me and letting me into your homes this year. Love you all. ולמשפחה בבית, אוהבת אתכם מאוד מאוד.
Shana Tova everyone. Wish you all a good year. And my favorite thing of Rosh Hashanah in Israel is the day that we sit together all the family and think about all the things you want to take from the last year and all the things that you want to improve to the next year. Good year and Shana Tova Mutzlachat.
To my Canadian family, Shana Tova. May we have the best year we can together. I love you guys. I want to tell my Israeli family that I miss you and I love you. May you have Shana Tova as well. And I'm sending you kisses and hugs all the way from Canada.
שמעתי שעושים פה מסיבה בלעדיי, אף אחד לא עושה את זה יותר טוב ממני. היי, נשים את הצרות מאחוריי, אני לא הולך עד שכולכם מג'נונים. היי, שמעתי שהתחלתם